Hello. Today I want to talk to you about the foundational basis of fitness you need to build to successfully get fit. If you're a newcomer to fitness or trying to get started with exercising on your own, or want to get started at a neighborhood gym, or are going to go that extra mile and get yourself a personal trainer, this is for you. This could also be useful if you already have some fitness or exercise or training regimen and are still looking to figure out what's going right and wrong. First, let's look at the basic blueprint of your fitness base. You need to start with the bare basics, the starting blocks. Now, there are many fancy frameworks out there in the fitness world. You may have read of them or on the internet. They are rooted very well in technical fundamentals, like in the classic textbooks of fitness or in certifications you may have heard of. But for you and me, in language you will understand. And to get started with working on our fitness, you need to start by building these, and you can do this at home. You need to work on stability, on strength, and then on speed. A caveat: these are my personal 3 S's of fitness, not something rooted in any proven system, but this worked for me. This is a great start. If you ask me, there are definitely many other aspects of fitness, but I like to think of these 3 S's as the most important goals which I went for, and for which many other aspects are needed extra, like mobility, flexibility, or endurance, which you can build around this. Secondly, you need to work on them in the right order to build your base well. You can't do it all at the same time, by the way. You can't work on stability and strength and speed without understanding that one builds on top of the other. Now, here's fair warning to you. You will notice that what I will say may be the complete opposite of what you've heard, or you may observe in many gyms, fitness Instagram posts, Facebook videos, even many fitness programs out there. Do not, I repeat, do not build your strength without first building your stability, I would recommend. Next, you must have a solid grasp of both stability and strength before you do any serious heavy work on any speed or power based work like snatches, etc. So, I highly recommend you work first on stability. Once you have developed a fundamental grasp of stability and worked on it, you add in strength based work. Now, once you have achieved an acceptable level of stability and strength, you add in speed and power based work. So, okay, what does this exactly mean for you? It means no incessant running on the treadmill, messing with barbell or dumbbell plans or CrossFit like work until you have passed the basic threshold of stability. What is stability? Stuff like planks, etc. It means no going to your neighborhood gym and getting carried away with whatever discounted get fit in 6 weeks or 30-day transformation plans they are pushing at you. They are dangerous. I recommend you say no to doing meaningless circuit training on machines before you do what I asked you to do. My recommendation. Let me be clear, I'm not saying you can't do these kind of programs. Of course you can, but only after you have built this solid fitness base. My recommendation of stability, strength and speed. Now, once you have built, as I recommend, your base of the 3 S's, you can go full tilt on transformation plans, all kinds of challenges and cool moves you see. Just make sure you have this base of these 3 right. You will ask, so how do I build my fitness base using this 3S funda of mine? I will talk about that soon on the Friday Fit Show. By the way, if you want to get started immediately on using expert coaches who do exactly this kind of sustainable fitness and much, much more, please check out Quad Fitness, where I coach. You can get them online at thequad.in. That's it for today. If you want to learn how to make new fitness habits like this stick, just follow the Friday Fit Show at friday.fit, www.friday.fit. That's it. It's free. Just click on the sign up button on the site. Have fun reaching your fitness goals. Ta-da!